Good morning students. Today we are doing the first experiment of our science lab manual, that is germination of seeds. Now today I will tell you how to make the sprouts of the seeds. In this case we can take green gram also, that is moong ki dal, or here in this case we are taking the black gram, that is चने, जिसको हम black चने भी कहते हैं. So we are taking it in a bowl. After that pour some water in this. Now we are pouring some water. You can see. Now you can take half cup of water. After that keep it for overnight. Overnight means आप इसको रात भर as it is पड़े रहने दोगे. In the morning when we kept it overnight like this in the water, take one more bowl and pour the water in that bowl. Now we have poured all the water in the other bowl. Or throw it away, that water we don't need now. After that take a moist cloth and cover this bowl with that cloth. Keep it covered for one full day. Like we can in between we can see that the cloth should be moist. अगर वो dry हो गया तो उसको फिर से moist करके हमने रखना है. Now next morning we will see whether our sprouts have become or not. In this we will take off the cloth, take off the moist cloth. Now you can see. Now you can see some sprouts. Okay, many, in fact many that gram has changed into sprout. Sprout is the white structure. Now you can see the white structure from the seed that has come out. Now this is the sprout. Okay, इसमें क्या होता है, the this one structure that later on changes into a stem of the plant, and also this is known as embryo. It has different parts. One part changes into the stem and the other part changes into the root of the plant. So you can see we have made lots of sprouts. These are very nutritious also to eat. Now in this case you can see the seed coat. Seed coat is the brown part of the seed. Now we will take off the seed coat from the seed. Okay, we will take it off, and inside you will see the cotyledons of the seeds. Now we will take this part. Okay, now you can see this white. Now you can see these are the two parts, that is the cotyledon. I want to show you very properly how these are the two parts cotyledons. These provide food to the seed part. Now you can easily see this that plumule part and small radical part is also in between, you can see. Now this radical that changes into the root of the plant, this is the radical. You can see a small structure is coming out, and the plumule, that is the bigger one. Okay, and that changes into the stem of the plant. So that is all about the germination of seeds. Okay, so we you can now do this in your lab manual. Thank you. Okay, now I will tell you how to write your experiment in the lab manual. On the left hand side, that is the plain side, you will write down experiment number 1, aim, material required, and diagram over here. In the last you will write down the observations. So all these things you will make on the plain page. You will write the date on the both side. Okay, so you understand experiment number. Here you have to write down aim, materials required, diagram you will make over here, and the observations. Now you can use the next page also. On the right hand side, that is your rule side, such things you have to write down. You will write here with the black and blue pen experiment number, date, and aim. Like in this case we are having germinate seeds to observe how plants grow from seeds. Materials required, that will come both sides. Theory you have to write only on right hand side. Procedure, results, and conclusions. So now you understand how to make your lab manual. Okay, so complete this now.